Locking routes overview. DirectRoute performs between route optimization to enhance a routed solution. The system considers the constraints, cost factors, and optimization-specific rules set by your organization and attempts to move stops to other routes to reduce the total solution cost. Typically, users do not see any changes until all routes are adjusted. In some cases, your fleet may not want certain routes to be changed. DirectRoute's Locking Routes feature prevents the system from making specific adjustments. In this video, we'll review the different lock types available in DirectRoute and show you how to lock routes. Let's begin. There are 4 different lock types available in DirectRoute. Prevent addition, which prevents the algorithm from adding stops to selected routes. Stops can still be removed or resequenced. Prevent removal, which prevents the algorithm from removing stops from selected routes. Stops can still be added or resequenced. Prevent addition or removal, which prevents stops from being added or removed from the route. The route can still be resequenced. Prevent any changes, which prevents any changes to the structure of the route when between route optimization is triggered. To lock routes in DirectRoute, follow these steps. Right-click on a route in the route book. Select Lock Route. The Lock Routes window appears. Select the routes you wish to lock under Options. You may select a group of routes in one of the following ways. Enter a sequential range of routes in the From Route and to Route fields. Select the checkbox for Lock Displayed Routes to apply the lock to only the routes displayed on the map, or select the checkbox for Lock Filtered in Route Book to apply the lock to only the routes you have filtered in the route book. Select the lock type. Click OK. Close the Lock Routes window. The selected routes are now locked. To confirm a route was locked successfully, select the Route Book Fields icon on the right side of the route book. Click the plus icon next to Truck Fields to expand the menu. Select Lock. Drag and drop the lock option into the route book. A column named Lock will be added to the route book, displaying which locks are active for each route. You have completed the Locking Routes training video. To learn more about this product, visit our Learning Center to access on-demand training and online help.